The benefits of practicing yoga daily. Yoga is a comprehensive practice that connects the body, breath, and mind. It's more than just stretching exercises or breathing techniques. Yoga offers profound benefits for physical health, mental well-being, and emotional balance. By making yoga a daily habit, you will gradually notice positive changes in both your body and mind. In terms of physical health, yoga improves muscle and joint flexibility, enhances posture, and strengthens the core. Many yoga poses focus on stretching key muscle groups, helping reduce the risk of injuries, especially in the back, neck, and shoulders, which are commonly stressed from prolonged sitting or work. Deep breathing combined with fluid movements promotes blood circulation, relieves muscle tension, supports digestion, and boosts metabolism. Numerous studies have shown that regular yoga practice can help lower blood pressure, improve heart rate, and strengthen the immune system, contributing to overall health and vitality. Regarding mental and emotional well-being, yoga is a powerful tool to reduce stress, anxiety, and improve focus. Meditation and breathing techniques stimulate the release of happiness hormones, creating a sense of calm, peace, and emotional balance. Maintaining a daily yoga routine also fosters self-discipline, improves sleep quality, increases resilience under pressure, and boosts self-confidence in daily life. With consistent practice, you will develop a stronger connection between your body and mind, allowing you to slow down, become more self-aware, and better appreciate your surroundings. Yoga is suitable for all ages, not just the young and fit. Spending 20 to 40 minutes each day can create significant positive changes, helping your body stay strong, your mind stay clear, and your life stay balanced. Over time, yoga becomes an essential part of daily life, promoting sustainable health, full engagement in life, and a greater sense of happiness. In conclusion, practicing yoga every day is an investment in both physical and mental health, providing energy, flexibility, inner peace, and overall well-being. You don't need to practice for long hours or perform complex poses. Consistency is key, and you will notice positive transformations day by day.